MSR's Lightning Explorer snowshoes, ultralight performance meets all-day comfort. The snowshoes now feature our redesigned hyperlink binding, making them our most comfortable and easiest to use ever. The updated binding now features EVA foam cushions that eliminate pressure points and ensures comfort on long winter hikes. The binding's ratchet system now offers a simplified buckle for greater ease of use. To tighten, simply pull up. To release, press down and remove the strap. One of the best features of the hyperlink binding is the set it and forget it heel strap, which makes getting in and out fast and easy. Finally, the new binding accommodates a wider range of boot sizes. This is thanks to innovative straps which offer 2 macro adjustment settings. These settings allow for a shorter, more versatile strap that won't flop around as you hike. The refined hyperlink binding gives the Lightning Explorer snowshoes a boost in comfort and ease of use, making them the perfect choice for all that winter has to offer.
Next time someone asks you to think big, you just might think of our new snowshoes. They're called TANKR. The big idea behind our design is to make hard work in deep snow remarkably less exhausting. What makes TANKR different is the combination of length, traction, and versatility, enabled by the characteristic patented hinge and rocker design. They are really long snowshoes, with an extraordinary load capacity and flow, still providing exceptional maneuverability to anyone.
Gain more access to the mountain on the all-new Atlas Access and Electra Access snowshoes. Comfortable and easy to use, the Wrap Trail binding cradles the foot securely for all-day hiking. Step through the webbing and place the ball of your foot squarely on the Atlas logo on the footbed with the buckles to the outside. Tighten the instep by pulling the uniloop strap, then thread the heel strap through the metal opening and loop back over the prong to secure. Part of the brand new Atlas Trail series, the Access and Electra Access were designed to confidently tackle rolling terrain with ease. Proven light ride suspension delivers exceptional lateral articulation in a comfortable stride, perfect for uneven and side hill terrain. When the trail heads uphill, activate the heel lift bar to alleviate calf fatigue during the ascent. The all-new Atlas Access and Electra Access, delivering proven performance for a better snowshoe experience.
The Wilderness is a snowshoe that can do it all. The best feature on the Wilderness is the 180 Pro binding. With a simple click and pull, the padded binding provides a secure and comfortable fit. This snowshoe features the FitStep frame and Soft-Tech decking, providing flotation and deep powder. The Wilderness also features our 16-degree heel lift, which reduces calf fatigue and Achilles tendon strain on steep ascents. Great for day hikers, the Cobra Toe crampon will bite into slippery slopes so your adventure never skips a beat. Packed full of great features, the Wilderness is the perfect blend of technology, comfort, and convenience.
Beneath the obvious accessibility of its quick and easy adjustment system, the Highlander Tour provides stability and effective grip on all types of snow. Highlander snowshoes are available in 3 sizes. Small for people weighing between 30 and 80 kilograms, that's 65 to 180 pounds. Medium for people weighing between 50 and 120 kilograms, that's 110 to 260 pounds. And large for people weighing between 70 and 140 kilograms, that's 150 to 300 pounds. The Highlander frame is designed with a rear tip rocker. The purpose of the rocker is to cushion your step, helping to guide the foot through the walking process. whether on flat surfaces or inclines. The interchangeable grips located around the edges of the frame provide excellent grip on all types of snow. The 3D design and the hourglass shape help prevent you from slipping whilst going uphill, whilst providing enhanced grip for downhill sections. Initial contact with the snow is made using these interchangeable tempered steel tips. The sharp, multi-tooth stainless steel front grip is designed for maximum traction on steep inclines. The structured frame and the crossbars help guarantee control and traction on soft and compact snow. The composite teeth beneath the rear rocker of the snowshoe cut and expel snow, ensuring enhanced grip for downhill sections. Lateral Adjust, a TSL patent, adds an extra level of adjustment and memorizes your settings. The front of the binding can be tightened by simply pulling the strap. The bi-material ankle strap can be pre-adjusted and then tightened using the ratchet strap. The lock adjustment system can be quickly adjusted and will memorize your shoe size. The Easy Ascent heel lift system can be activated by simply pushing with a pole. It features the TSL sound and shock absorbing system. TSL snowshoes are made in the French Alps and are all delivered with their own storage bag.
Today we're talking about our elite snowshoes. We've got our men's and we have women's. They come in a couple different colorways, but just want to talk about the basic feature benefits of these snowshoes. First thing is they come with our spin binding system. This is a partnership between us and Northwave, and it is a dialed based system. So the nice thing is you slide your foot in, even with your big mittens, you just dial it in, and it's nice and snug. It hugs your foot, is like what we like to say about these. And then it's very easy to get out by just with the release tab, pulling it and pulling it out. You have a heel lift with these, which is nice for ascending, takes the pressure off of your calf. You've got a lot of grip with our crampons on the base. On the decking material, we just use a nice lightweight, flexible decking material. Gives you good flotation. Solid 6,000 grade aluminum frame. So overall, just a nice, lightweight, very, very comfortable snowshoe. Comes in several different sizes, men's and women's.